Congratulations! Congratulations for making it this far. You're doing very well. This is video 8, lecture topic 6. In this video, I will begin the topic of a basic school ICT implementation plan, providing you with information and tools to move forward with a basic implementation plan is really what this professional development is all about. Everything up to this point has been background information and preparation for this discussion. Before I get into the details of a plan though, let's do a quick review. The major goals of this PD are to give you some confidence on the topic of school ICT and to give you some ideas how to move forward with a basic ICT implementation plan at your school. As I mentioned in video 3 about the manager's mind, you don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to do it alone. You and your colleagues just need to find ways to move forward in good ways, step by step, over time. The ultimate goal is to use technology to enhance student learning in ways that match the possibilities that are available to us in the 21st century. Living here in Japan, it is easy to forget about the rest of the world. But in an era of interconnected international economies, we cannot ignore how society and work are evolving or the progress that other countries around the world have made in education. What we do with children today impacts all of our futures 10 or 15 years from now. Regarding progress in education, I mentioned in video 4 about the definitions of ICT, education technology, and technology-enhanced learning. Remember, our main goal is to achieve high-quality technology-enhanced learning. If we tried hard, then maybe Japan could become a world leader for this. I think that Japan has the type of society that could accomplish that. When Japan is serious about doing something, it usually does a very good job at that thing. In video 5, I mentioned some of the many resources that are available to you, including human resources. Definitely, these will be part of a basic implementation plan. Over time, you'll need to discover how to incorporate these resources into your regular operations. In video 6, I talked about managing change. Specifically, I talked about 5 different types of people and how they tend to respond to new things. You can use this information strategically to plan how to move forward at your school. Also, if you know that some people, like innovators, will want to move too quickly, while other people, like laggards, won't want to change at all, then you don't need to become stressed about it. It is just human nature. You can plan for that. You should also look at people's workloads and make sure that they are not becoming burned out. In video 7, I talked about policies and procedures. A full implementation of ICT will affect almost every part of your school operations. You may discover that some existing policies don't match the new reality of having ICT, so they need to be reviewed. In other cases, new policies and procedures will need to be created for things that you never had to think about before. For example, hybrid learning. Okay, that was a review of the main points from my lecture up to now. Please join me in video 9, where I will talk about how to incorporate these ideas into a basic school ICT implementation plan.